Hello, this is Dan Allford with ARC Specialties and another ARC Challenge Coin Challenge for you. Everyone in the welding business is aware of hydrogen embrittlement. My first example was when I learned about low hydrogen electrodes. E7018 electrodes are designed specifically to avoid hydrogen embrittlement. Hydrogen-induced cracking can originate from a number of sources, not just from moisture in the filler materials of welding electrodes, but also from cathodic protection and from H2S contamination in sour wells. For hydrogen-induced cracking to happen, three conditions must be present at the same time. For an ARC Challenge coin, tell me what these three conditions are. This is Dan Allford. I'm back with the answer to last week's ARC Challenge Coin Challenge. The three conditions which are necessary for hydrogen-induced cracking are hydrogen, a susceptible base material, and stress. Without all three of these conditions being present at the same time, you'll not experience hydrogen-induced cracking. And I'll go on to say that the hydrogen must be atomic hydrogen, that's just H, which is why hydrogen gas, which is H2, can be transported safely in high-strength pipelines. So in the video below, we show all three of these conditions occurring at the same time. What we have is a ball bearing, which is a martensitic steel, which is a susceptible microstructure. We have a source of hydrogen, which is the sulfuric acid. And we have compressive stresses. What we've done is we've taken these ball bearings and plastically deformed them in a press. We put them into the sulfuric acid. Pretty quickly we see some corrosion. We're producing hydrogen, goes into the grain boundaries, and you see we have catastrophic failure in a very short period of time. So this is just one way you can experience hydrogen-induced cracking. You can also see it from moisture in electrodes. You can have hydrogen cracking from electroplating, and you can have hydrogen cracking from excessive cathodic protection on subsea parts. In my world, hydrogen problems are primarily either welding or H2S sour gas. In welding, we avoid them using low hydrogen welding procedures. And to mitigate the problem of H2S or sour gas in petroleum, we use a gas tungsten arc Inconel overlay on all the wetted parts inside of valves and pipes to avoid stress corrosion cracking. Hydrogen-induced cracking has caused expensive catastrophic failures in industry for years. You need to be aware of the problem so you can avoid it in the future. Hope this one helps you.